What if you could save 5 hours every week using free AI tools? Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that are completely free, and they can seriously boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, freelancer, creator, or just trying to stay organized, let's dive right in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. You probably already heard of it, but are you using it the right way? ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot for answering questions. It's your 24/7 assistant. You can use it to write professional emails, brainstorm video ideas, generate summaries, explain difficult concepts, translate text, and even build content outlines in seconds. The key is knowing how to prompt it properly. For example, act like a productivity coach and help me build a daily plan. It responds instantly, and you're up and running. Tool number 2, Notion AI. Notion just leveled up. With its AI features, you can now generate task lists, meeting notes, blog post drafts, and much more, all inside your notes. You can even ask it to summarize long articles or turn notes into action steps. It's ideal for students, solo workers, or teams managing projects. And the clean interface makes everything feel effortless. Tool number 3, Tactiq. Zoom meetings, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. All great tools, right? But taking notes during calls? Not so great. That's where Tactiq comes in. It transcribes your meetings in real time, highlights important points, and lets you focus on the conversation instead of typing everything down. If you work remotely or attend a lot of calls, this tool can be a lifesaver. Tool number 4, Opus Clip. If you create content, listen up. Opus Clip uses AI to take your long-form videos like podcasts or YouTube episodes and automatically turns them into short, viral clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It adds jump cuts, captions, highlights emotional peaks, and even selects the best thumbnails. What took hours now takes minutes and results in more views. Tool number 5, Gamma.app. Let's be honest, creating slides and presentations can be boring and time-consuming, but not with Gamma. Just tell it what your presentation is about, and it generates a fully designed interactive slide deck in seconds. You can edit, collaborate, and present, all from your browser. No more struggling with PowerPoint templates. Closing thoughts. These 5 tools are free, powerful, and designed to help you get more done in less time. Whether you're building a brand, studying for finals, or trying to get through your workday, these apps are here to help. Try one or all 5 and see how your productivity changes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more weekly AI tips, and tell me in the comments, which tool are you most excited to try?